right, we have the spa balcony, room 17207. Let's check it out. All right, I'm gonna point this out real quick. As you first come in the room, you have your air conditioning settings right here. So, you know, obviously we want air conditioning and it's turned all the way up, which is a good thing. You need to have a key card in here to keep the lights activated. If you come to a room that doesn't have a little card here, slide the card in there and then your lights should come on. All right, so we can turn the lights on here with these little switches or off. So we got all the lights on now. And as you come in, the first thing, let's take a look at our storage. And as you can see right now, all that we have in here is a suitcase. One thing I do want to point out is if you click these, if I can pull it out. There we go. You can fold these and convert them into shelves if you wish. Simply pop them back up. That's pretty much in just about all the closets here. You can get rid of that shelf, for example, to make it a little bit longer. And then we have a safe down here, some wire baskets with some more spa towels. And this drawer actually pulls out. If you want to put some shoes or flip-flops or something like that there, you could do that as well. All right, so let's move on to the next closet. All right, here, same thing. Those shelves, if you desire, you can fold those shelves up. And they give you a couple nice robes here if you're in the spa balcony. And then there's some slippers as well. And let's take a look at the bathroom now. Light is off, let's turn it on. And, you know, pretty much a standard bathroom. One thing I like about these bathrooms, though, is you do have a glass door instead of that cheap shower curtain that most Carnival ships have, right? It's nice to have a glass door, and it's a pretty spacious shower as well. So, and another thing to point out is if you look in here, you have the Elemis bath and shower gel and shampoo. So you have the upgraded gel, and some of the soaps in the traditional rooms are pretty common. Down here, we have the refrigerator, and you see it lights up when you open it up there. And it's glass door too, which is a nice little upgraded feature, I think, there. As you can see, we ordered a bunch of water and Go Cubs. We have a nice little message from our cabin attendant. All right, we have a couch over here on the side, and the bed can divide if you want it to into two single beds, or can be pushed together for a king. And now let's get out here to the balcony. And the balcony can be a little bit tricky. Let's see if I can figure it out. Oh, it opened right away. All right, so we are at the very front of the ship. And you see this wind barrier. Since we're at the front of the ship, there's the wind barrier here, and also a big wind barrier in the front because you're gonna get all that headwind. But you know, it's pretty much a great view. You see down there, and we are still in Galveston. It looks like they got a car show going on down there right now. See all the cars? That's a bonus feature in this room tour. And there's Galveston off to the right. All right.
Cruise go! Yeah! I love you, Cruise!
I just can't get away from a good time.